Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining along for the first time, my name is Amber. I am so excited to share with you guys a trash to treasure makeover on a table that I found on the side of the curb. It's been collecting in my house for almost 2 months at this point, and I knew today I finally needed to just get it done. I am so excited to share this process with you guys and show you that you can find something as simple as something laying on the side of the curb and turn it into a beautiful piece to add into your home. Now, I knew when I seen this table exactly what I wanted to do with it. I've been on the hunt for a new table for my current coffee station, and as you guys can know, those can run pretty pricey. Started off at like $100 and they can get up there pretty steep. So I didn't want to pay that price, and when I found that table, it literally came at the right time. So I wanted to go with the farmhouse look. I knew I was going to strip the top of it because it was pretty beat up. It had like some black stains in it. So I'll go ahead and just sand the top off, and then I did stain it, and then I repainted the rest of it. It was white. I'll show you guys the insert of what it looks like before right up here. It was pretty beat up. It had a lot of like nicks and it was super dirty. I don't know what this thing had been through, but I knew that I was going to work my magic and turn it into a beautiful farmhouse piece. So if you guys need some inspiration to go ahead and turn a piece of furniture into something beautiful, especially if you're on a tight budget, keep on watching. I'm gonna give you guys lots of inspiration today to go ahead and get creative and make over a beautiful piece of furniture. The very first thing I needed to do was sand all of this and try to just get all of the coat that was on there and whatever this black stuff was, and then I just went in a second time and pretty much smoothed everything out. So I pretty much got it nice and smooth. First I used, I think it was 80, and then I used 120 to kind of smooth and finish it out. Disclaimer, I am not a sanding expert, so do your own research or do any type of sanding at your own discretion, not by my opinion. So it's nice and smooth. Now I'm just gonna clean it up so then I can stain the top first, and then I'll do the painting last. After I cleaned it up, it's actually not that bad in a lot of areas, so I'm for sure gonna repaint down there, of course the outer ledges. I have some wood glue filler stuff that's supposed to mold and do this. I've never done it before, so I'm gonna try it. We shall see. Not guarantee it's gonna turn out 100%, but I'm gonna attempt. If not, I'll probably just paint over it. It's kind of really not noticeable once it's all put together. And then paint over here on the sides. So let's go. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is coming along so nice. So nice. So I'm probably, I don't know, I almost kind of like it like this tone. But it's nice and shiny. I just need to finish the front, touch up a little bit back here. I'm not really too worried about the back since it's going to be against the wall anyways. But working my magic. And I've never used this stuff before. I've had to do the other type of stain, and so far I'm preferring this over just staining and then having to put the coat over it. Now, once everything was painted, I'm gonna go ahead and take it inside, and I did let it dry overnight, so that way it just gave it enough time. I will say that this paint was pretty fast drying, and so was the stain as well. And this is the finished look. I think it turned out really nice. I opted not to even mess with it. I attempted to use the wood filler and I knew it was gonna be a nightmare and I didn't want to destroy all of my hard work, so I just left that. And I think it kind of gives it character, so I don't mind it. I did end up just painting the original knobs just white. I am probably most likely going to switch those out. I just haven't decided on what kind of knob I want. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think would look good with this. Now remember, this is going to be used for my coffee bar table. Currently I have a smaller one. This one's way bigger. I didn't paint the inside of this. It's in pretty good condition. Tank put a penny in there. So this will be good for storage. So for the shelf here, I did end up just doing a light coat. It wasn't really in too bad. It just had a little scuffs. And of course I painted the back wall. I painted all on the inside of there. And then the shelving underneath it, this side was missing one of the hooks. So I just added a nail to hold it in place. So it wobbles a little bit, but nothing serious. It's not going to collapse if I store anything on there. I could have went over that a little bit more, but it is what it is. I kind of like the imperfection looks because it seems like at the end it all comes together nicely. So now my thoughts on this stain that I used. Would I use it again? Yes, I would, but now I know better than I did this time. This was my first time using the stain that was already mixed with the poly, so trial and error. This was my first time using that. I'm used to just the original stain and then doing the poly separately. But if you're looking for a more quicker and easier way to get it all done, if it's like your first time, I would just suggest taking your time, because since it is a thicker consistency, you're going to have a lot of like dimples and roughness. You could easily just sand it out afterwards if you would like, but just be careful. Like over here, you can see I had a little trial and error, but again, I'm fine with it. I think it looks nice overall, so I'm happy with it. And I had went over the front, so I did 2 coats of this. And all in all, I think it turned out great. I am so excited to use this. So excited, you guys. Stay tuned for my part 2 of this makeover, where I'm actually going to be decorating and setting this up for my new coffee station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed coming along and seeing me transform this curbside trash into a beautiful treasure piece. If you guys enjoy these style type of videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already done so. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.